This is my patient. He came from Italy, and we are planning for his to prevent his hair fall. इनको काफ़ी हेयर फॉल है क्योंकि ये इनका विलिंग था कि मेरे बाल कुछ अरसे से गिर रहे हैं और उसको हम थोड़ा सा प्रिवेंट कर सकें and I'm going to explain both in English as well as the local language, that is Urdu, so that my local as well as international candidates, my patients, should understand what we are doing at this moment. Now here you can see I have passed the butterfly needle, and we are going to draw the blood from this tubing very easily, and he is not feeling any pain. Is comfortable with that?
Yeah, exactly.
That's perfect. You're not getting any pain at the moment?
No, there is no pain.
That's perfect. So you have the hair fall for the last how many years?
Yeah, it's like since 2 years it's getting like it's falling quite
Alright.
rapidly. Yeah.
Perfectly. Okay, so I have guided you regarding the PRP and the hair transplant.
Yeah,
So you have opted for the PRP to prevent
Yeah.
the hair fall and to make these hairs more hard and thick,
Yeah, exactly.
and prevent the hair fall.
Yeah.
That's fine. So what we are doing is we are just taking about 30 to 40 ml of the blood, and we are putting into the serums.
Allora, questo è un dottore che mi sta facendo un trattamento che non è trasplantamento ma è PRP, significa che se non perdono i peli, quelli che abbiamo, rimangono più forti, ma non c'è dolore neanche e speriamo che va tutto bene.
Perfect. So he spoke in Italian language for his Italian friends and family, and he has a lot of clients there as well in Italy for me as well, and I'm looking forward for further clientage and for the referrals. So for your information, we are doing the medical tourism in Pakistan, and you can see in the coming years, the security levels is very good, and you have already given me one example of one of your friend.
Yeah.
She came over here and stayed for long days, and she enjoyed her trip. So I hopefully you will recommend other Italian friends to come over,
Yeah, inshallah.
and I'm providing the accommodation in 5-star.
Allora, lui dice che noi organizziamo un medico tour
Yeah.
per i clienti italiani e anche stranieri da qualsiasi parte del mondo e offrono una 5 stelle albergo anche e poi questo medico.
Right. And you can see he's translating for me. I'm thankful to him, and he's helping me out in discussing
It's my pleasure.
the things and explaining the people about the things in his own language. So we are going to remove this butterfly, and you can see this is the vial which we are using, and I'm going to close it.
क्योंकि इटली में हेयर फॉल बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay, can you just explain some about things? I mean, Italy, how do you feel people over there about hair fall problem over there?
मैं ना टर्की एयरलाइन से बहुत सफ़र किया है.
Okay.
तो जब इस्तांबुल एयरपोर्ट पे थे ना तो like every 5 people over there, 50 person is having the hair transplant. पहले तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि है क्या, ऊपर लगा हुआ था कुछ मेहंदी टाइप का, सब ब्लड थोड़ा सा लगा था.
जी.
तो हम मुझसे भी पूछते थे, वो कहते हैं हम एयर ट्रांसफर करवाने आएंगे.
Go.
So, allora lui dice che ci organizziamo un tour medico per qualsiasi traspianto di capelli e anche PRP per non far cadere i capelli e anche per mettere nuovi capelli, ma è bravo e poi organizzano e danno uno comodo in 5 stelle albergo, si chiama Avari, che è seconda più buona albergo del Pakistan, e poi danno la sicurezza, tutto è incluso. Poi è comunque bravo tutto, ma andrà tutto bene perché io sto qua pure a fare PRP e già stavano cadendo i miei capelli e mi aspettavo di non fare cadere gli altri, e allora lui mi ha fatto, ma non c'è neanche il dolore. Okay, he just telling me that they just organized the medical tours for foreign people, and they let them stay in the Awari, the five-star hotel. It's the second best hotel in Pakistan. And yeah, all the packages included over here. You can have the hair transplant or PRP or any skin treatment about the nose or any other thing about skin over here. So yeah, that's the package included, and I hope so.
And I think it's more cheap in Pakistan as
Yeah.
compared to Turkey.
And it's good also. He's saying that the medical term is nanography.
Yes, we're doing nanographs.
Nanographs, yeah. So it's
And
more-
nobody can judge that you have underwent hair transplant.
Okay. So that's the best way to have the hair transplant.
So I think आपने भाई का इंटरव्यू सुना है. In my language, I will now say to you कि he is comfortable with me at this moment, and we are planning, we're doing PRP for him, and he is recommending his English and Spanish people to come to Pakistan and see, because now most of the people are now investing in Pakistan right this moment, and a lot of people coming from states, a lot of people coming from China and Australia. Recently, you can see Cargill, which is a big company, is now investing in Pakistan.
Yeah,
This
exactly,
means
exactly.
they are getting fame.
Yeah.
Pakistan is getting fame, and the
also
security.
it's secure now. It's secure to come. It's peaceful now.
Yeah, it's peaceful.
The tourism is increasing
Yes,
also. Yeah.
and you told me about one of your friends.
Yeah.
Can you explain that?
There was a friend of mine. He came from Naples, like South Italy part. He came here, like he planned for the 2 weeks to visit. Yeah, but when he was here, like he loved this place so much. He like extended his visit and he stayed here like 5 weeks. And he loved this place and he wanted to come in here again because now it's peaceful and the people are so loving. You will have the tour amazing.
So you think Lahore has a great ambience?
Exactly, yes. Lahore is one of
Lahore
the
is
best
one of
cities.
them.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a big city now.
I'm basically not from Lahore, but I'm here since 1 week because I love Lahore. I can't stay without it.
Yeah, Lahore is one of the city
Exactly.
which is, I think, people just come here for life.
Yeah, it's life. Lahore is equal to life. E come Napoli. Guarda, veramente come Napoli. Sì.
Can you explain Spanish to people?
Okay. Es como Barcelona, porque aquí la gente es muy buena, es bonita anche, e la vita es más barato también. My dottore es muy bravo. È questo.
Thank you, dear. And I'm so grateful. You have given me very nice comments,
You're
and you have recommended your other guys as well. I am
It's my
hopeful.
pleasure
I'm
to be
looking
here.
forward for the future, and I'm very hopeful. Okay, all your clients or your friends which are international, like Spanish, Italian, they will come to us in Pakistan. Come to me in
For
Pakistan,
sure.
in Lahore, and we have a medical tourism package. We will going to give the hotel stay, and we have one tour the bus Lahore.
Yeah.
And we'll give you a grand dinner, and that will be lavishing dinner, and that will not be felt anywhere.
Okay.
And I guarantee for that. And there will be one souvenir from my side as well. So this is the part of the package. Looking forward.
See you all here in Pakistan.
Thank
Ciao.
you, bro. Thank you.
Ciao,
Bye bye.